welcome back to another vlog. So this vlog is one of, or maybe the most exciting vlog I have ever made or will make. Only because your girl is moving. She's moving. Wait, I will put you down so we can talk. First of all, today is Sunday. And I was at the beach yesterday with some friends, and to say that I'm tired is an understatement because I came home at like 2 a.m. and woke up at 9 a.m. and I think I got a sunburn on my back. But also today is going to be organization day because I need to clean everything. I need to organize everything and start moving. I will not be starting the move until next week, but I am signing the lease tomorrow to move August 1st, technically, to have the keys. So as you guys know, I've been living with my parents my whole life. I've only gotten to have my own apartment back when I was at school for a couple months when I was living abroad. Exciting times. Now I have my own space, and I'm really excited to kind of start this new chapter and just have my own space and clean and like have it my own way kind of thing. The reason I have a trash bag next to me is because today, as I said, it's cleaning day. So what is on the list? I'm going to clean my office. I'm going to clean the living room downstairs because I've been working there for 2 weeks now, and because this is so freaking hot. It's so hot in here. As I said, it's much easier to work from downstairs. So I'm going to clean that space, and then I'm gonna do laundry, and then I'm going to pack what I don't use currently so that I have like, you know, like I have boxes that I've been keeping for the past months because I knew that I was going to move anyway. But now that I found my apartment, I will be like putting things that I don't use right now so that I get a head start on the whole moving process. Let's go. We gotta get the shot, the very embarrassing shot. But this is the mess that I'm working with. I'm very good at cleaning, so I have no problem showing you guys this. The very awkward chair always has something on it. My shoes are very disorganized because I have way too many and I don't know how to organize them, because it was easier when I was using my winter shoes because they're all like stacked up. But for my summer sandals and stuff, it's like I have too many. Anyway, so yeah, we're going to clean that and move on. Hey guys, so I finished cleaning. My desk is all clean. I'm gonna put this one here. I just like to have it all clean with nothing on it. Clean the mirror, everything. I cheated a little bit on my shoes because I'm gonna be putting them in boxes. So why would I, you know, organize them? I didn't feel like it. And then this awkward chair, these things need to go to the basement. Good morning, everybody. It is the next day. I am having my coffee, and today is lease day, so we are going to be signing the contract for my lease for at least a year. I'm very excited. I'm super excited for it. And what time is it right now? It's 8:46 and the appointment is at 10, so I'm gonna have my coffee. And yesterday when I finished cleaning and everything, I literally took a nap because I was so tired. And also I'm on annual leave, so today is Monday and I don't have work for the next 3 weeks. And I'm very excited to kind of disconnect and forget about it for a while. It has been one interesting 2020, to say the least. So I'm very excited to not have to work from home and everything. Yesterday I made this checklist for everything that I need. It's still not completed, and I'm also not getting everything at once, so I'm going to be getting, you know, the necessities from this list, but also I will be completing it and putting more things as I go. And also I took this beautiful daily planner. Planners are my favorite things ever in this world, and this I got from Urban Outfitters in Amsterdam, and I wish there was an Urban Outfitters in Morocco. But yeah, I just kind of planned everything for today, tomorrow. So I am back. The lease, the contract has been signed this morning, so I'm super excited to start packing right now and just go ahead and start the process. I will most likely get the keys in like 2 days. So I'm going to start packing right now. I have the box here. This box is going to be used for all the shoes that I don't wear. As I told you guys this morning, it's going to be my winter shoes and stuff, and also my heels, because I do not think I will be going out this week. So this is box number 3 that I'm packing, and I want to take pictures with me to the apartment because it's super important for me to keep like a couple pictures of my family, obviously. For the past year, I've had this one of my mom on my desk. If you know me, you know that I'm someone who thinks ahead a lot, and I just know what I want for when I want it. And so I already chose these pictures having in my mind the fact that I will move one day, not having any plans or anything, but I knew that I was going to move anyway, so I picked up these pictures because I knew that I wanted them in my apartment one day. And I also bought these bowls 3 years ago. When I say I think ahead, I'm not I'm not playing, really. I actually didn't know, but I liked them and I bought them, and I was like, I'm gonna keep them for when I move one day. So yeah, these I bought literally in 2017, and I absolutely love them. And yeah, I don't know exactly. I don't think I have enough boxes for everything, so I will be using or needing more boxes later. But at the same time, all of my clothes and the rest of my shoes and also the rest of my bags will go in suitcases because I don't want to use too many boxes. I'm gonna put everything in a suitcase, in my gym bag, things like that, so that I don't use too many boxes. Good morning, guys. It is the next day, and today is shopping day because I will finally go and buy everything that not everything, but some of the things that I need. I'm just gonna get kind of the essentials so that I don't regret it later, because I'm kind of picky and I don't know, I want to make sure that I get everything that I like. So I'm getting some of the essentials today. The fridge and the bed, I think I need to get today or tomorrow, so that when I have the keys, I'm able to kind of spend the night over there. It was all packed with things I didn't know I needed. All of these things and my food. Alright, you guys, I am back from shopping this morning, and it's around 6 p.m. I think right now. And I've been out since 11 a.m. until around 3 p.m. So I was pooped and tired, and I was like swiping my card left and right, and it was crazy. So it wasn't that crazy. I'm just being a little bit dramatic, but I got so many things for especially the kitchen, and then some cleaning products, so I will be showing you guys. So the first thing that I got is this set for a kind of a presentation set. I will leave the Instagram of this store in the description box if you want it. It's in my city. There's also one in Marrakesh and one in another city, I think. So first I got 2 of these presentation sets that I think are super cute. They have 3 bowls like this where you can put chips, crackers, whatever, whenever somebody's coming over, or for your own self, having like a little bit of snacks here and there. I feel like it's really cute on this wooden platter, so I got 2 of them. Second one is right here. I can already tell that I'm going to be making a mess. And then I got, oh, and by the way, here's the huge box. This is just store number 1. The second thing that I got is these glasses. I think it's 6 of them. I feel like these glasses can be used for water, for juice. They're pretty cute and classy, you know. They look a little bit crystally, so I thought these were definitely something that I should have, you know, for again, water or juice. This is not from here. And then I got these measuring cups that have different sizes. Of course, they have 1 cup, half a cup, third a cup, fourth a cup, whatever. These come in handy when it's time to cook, or you have like these measuring cups used in recipes that you want to follow. I think they are definitely something you gotta have. And then I got 2 of these clips. They are clips. Yeah, they are back clips. Like, let's say you open a bag of chips, you didn't finish it, and you want it to stay fresh. These come in handy for that, and I think they're really, really cute in these pastel colors. So yeah, I got 2 types. This type is pretty simple that I can use to, I don't know, like have veggies and chicken and grill them on these things. And then these I think come in handy when you have like tomato mozzarella sticks, something like that. I feel like they're really nice to grab and eat from. And then I got these egg organizers. They really come in handy as well, instead of having them in the bowl that takes more space in the fridge. These are just sleek and thin, and they can just be stored on the door of the fridge. I got 2 of them as well. And then I got this strainer because obviously you need one. And then I got these cleaning towels that are really soft. They're like kind of microfiber towels for cleaning. I got the classic sponges, but then I got this one because why not? I got this really cute bathroom set. I think it's really, really cute. This beautiful pink neutral color, and I will show you the apartment in the next vlog, so you will see that it's very neutral, very beigey neutral colors. So I just want to keep it that way. I don't want to have any harsh colors in there. Maybe in the future, I don't know, as I go, because right now I just want to keep it neutral. Then I got these microfiber towels as well for the kitchen. And then I got this beautiful set right here. I got this color because I really liked it, and you guys know that red is my favorite color. So it has all of these kitchen utensils. I was going to get each of them alone, but then it came in a set with the actual thing that you hang the different utensils on, so I thought that was really cute. And then I got this product. I don't know why I got it. It's a kitchen degreaser, so anywhere I cook will obviously get really dirty, and you know, the products that usually are used for that are really, really nasty when it comes to their smell. So I got this one. I hope it doesn't smell too bad because it says it is with aroma. So yeah, I got this one as well. I got this huge trash can. It's a stainless steel trash can. This is what it looks like. This one is going to be for the kitchen, and I wanted the same one but in a small size for the bathroom, but I couldn't find it. But then I went to Carrefour and I found exactly the same one, but in a smaller size. So it's also a stainless steel trash can, but it's going to be for the bathroom. And then I got this kettle so that I can warm some water without going through too much trouble. And then I got this huge blender, and my #1 priority getting a blender was obviously to be able to crush ice and blend something that's iced. I always wanted to make smoothies and make something like, especially in the spring and summer, I love smoothies or smoothie bowls, and I can't do it because the blenders usually are not able to crush ice, but this one can, so that was my #1 priority. And then I got 2 pillows for the bed that I don't have. I'm still looking for a bed frame and also a bed. I found something that's really, really comfortable, but I'm also kind of looking a little bit everywhere. If you can hear all the noise, I am sorry. And then I got this grill right here that I can easily grill some chicken or whatever I want to grill. I feel like grilling is super easy and doesn't take too much time. I got this set of pans, obviously, and then I got this cheese grater right here, and then I got parchment paper, And then I got some oven plates that I can, you know, cook lasagna in sometime, or whatever I want to bake. I got these gloves for cleaning. I know it's a little bit extra. Sometimes I really don't want to clean, and if I think something is a little bit gross, then I won't. So I got these to help me out. And then for storage in the kitchen, I got these glass organizers that are really, really beautiful and super sleek. Again, super neutral. I love it. So this is what they look like. They have this stainless steel cover, so I will be using this for pasta or something like that, and then I will be using these for oatmeal, quinoa, rice, whatever. I got this cutting board. I just wanted an extra cutting board, and it has a knife as an extra thing, an extra gift. And then I got this potato cutter that I'm going to use for everything else, like if I want to cut onions or if I want to cut anything in like small pieces. I feel like these are very nice. It says that it's used for fries, like, you know, let me show you. Okay, so it shows a potato, it shows fries, but I feel like the size could also be used for onions or something like that. And then if I think that the onions are too big, then I can, you know, switch it up, cut it again, stuff like that. I got the essentials for food, the Ziploc bags, the film, and I got the aluminum. I got the classic sponges, even though I got the other one. I got this all-purpose cleaning liquid, so I can spray anything I want to clean. I got this spice organizing thing. I've always wanted, you know, those rotating spice things. Always wanted one, and that's exactly what I got. So it rotates. I think that's everything. I'm going to end the vlog here. I'm super excited. I've always wanted to buy these things. So I'm super excited to move. I will get the keys tomorrow as planned. I will show you guys the apartment in the next vlog. I don't want this to be too long, but the moving process is a long process, so I can't have it all in one single vlog. So stay tuned for the next vlog where you will be seeing the apartment. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video.